Are you looking for the perfect beach destination for a bachelor party in the USA? Well, you're in luck. Florida is home to some of the best beaches that can make your celebration unforgettable. Welcome to our guide on the top 10 beaches in Florida for a bachelor party. Planning a bachelor party can be exciting, but finding the right beach that offers the best experience can be a challenge. You want a destination that not only has beautiful beaches, but also offers a vibrant nightlife and a variety of activities to keep the party going. Let's dive into the unique features of each beach in Florida that make them perfect for a bachelor party. From pristine white sands to crystal clear waters, Florida's beaches have it all. Whether you're looking to relax under the sun or party all night, there's a beach for every bachelor party vibe. The 3 top beaches will be revealed at the end of this video, so buckle up. Clearwater Beach. Clearwater Beach is a gem on Florida's Gulf Coast. Renowned for its pristine white sands and crystal clear waters, this beach is perfect for a bachelor party that wants a blend of relaxation and excitement. During the day, you can soak up the sun, play beach volleyball, or try parasailing. As the sun sets, Pier 60 becomes a hub of activity with its daily sunset festival featuring street performers, live music, and artisan vendors. Nearby, you'll find a range of beachside bars and seafood restaurants offering the freshest catches. Clearwater Beach is also home to several rooftop bars and clubs where you can dance the night away. For sports enthusiasts, there's the option to catch a game at Spectrum Field or indulge in water sports like jet skiing and paddleboarding. Clearwater Beach truly offers a versatile experience for any bachelor party. Daytona Beach. Daytona Beach is famous for its hard-packed sand, allowing vehicles to drive directly on the beach. This unique feature makes it a fun destination for a bachelor party looking for something a bit different. Known as the world center of racing, Daytona Beach is home to the Daytona International Speedway, making it a hotspot for motorsport fans. During the day, you can enjoy the beach's numerous activities such as surfing, parasailing, or simply lounging by the water. The Daytona Beach Boardwalk and Pier offer plenty of entertainment options, including arcades, rides, and live music. As night falls, the city comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene featuring beach bars, clubs, and casinos. Whether you're looking to ride the waves, catch a thrilling race, or dance until dawn, Daytona Beach has it all for an unforgettable bachelor party. Panama City Beach. Panama City Beach is synonymous with spring break parties, but it's also an excellent choice for a bachelor party. With 27 miles of stunning coastline, there's plenty of space to enjoy beach activities during the day. From jet skiing and deep-sea fishing to beach volleyball and paddleboarding, Panama City Beach has something for everyone. The city's nightlife is just as impressive, with numerous beach bars, clubs, and live music venues keeping the party going well into the night. Club La Vela, the largest nightclub in the USA, is a must-visit for any bachelor party looking to experience high-energy dance floors and poolside parties. For a change of pace, you can explore nearby St. Andrews State Park, offering hiking trails, snorkeling, and kayaking. Panama City Beach guarantees a mix of sun-soaked fun and thrilling nightlife for a memorable bachelor party. Siesta Key Beach, known for its powdery white quartz sand, is one of Florida's most beautiful beaches. This beach is perfect for a bachelor party that prioritizes relaxation and natural beauty. Spend your days lounging on the soft sands, swimming in the clear blue waters, or engaging in beach games. Siesta Key Village, just a short walk from the beach, offers a variety of bars, restaurants, and shops, creating a laid-back yet lively atmosphere. In the evenings, enjoy a casual beachside bonfire or head to one of the local bars for live music and cocktails. The beach's stunning sunsets provide the perfect backdrop for winding down or gearing up for a night out. Siesta Key Beach combines serene daytime activities with a charming nightlife scene, making it a great choice for a bachelor party looking for both relaxation and fun. Cocoa Beach. Cocoa Beach, known as the East Coast surfing capital, is ideal for a bachelor party that loves the waves. Located just an hour from Orlando, this beach offers excellent surf conditions, making it a hotspot for both novice and experienced surfers. The iconic Ron John Surf Shop, the largest surf shop in the world, is a must-visit for gear and souvenirs. Aside from surfing, Cocoa Beach has plenty of other activities, including kayaking, paddleboarding, and fishing. The vibrant beachside bars and restaurants offer a relaxed atmosphere to enjoy fresh seafood and tropical drinks. Head to the famous coconuts on the beach for live music and beachfront dancing. Additionally, the nearby Kennedy Space Center provides a unique daytime excursion. Cocoa Beach offers a perfect blend of thrilling water sports and a laid-back nightlife, making it an excellent choice for a bachelor party. Fort Myers Beach. Fort Myers Beach, situated on Estero Island, offers a welcoming and lively environment for a bachelor party. The beach's calm, shallow waters make it ideal for swimming and water sports like parasailing and jet skiing for those looking to explore nature. Nearby Lovers Key State Park provides opportunities for hiking, kayaking, and spotting wildlife. The Times Square area, located near the pier, is the heart of Fort Myers Beach, featuring a variety of bars, restaurants, and shops. This bustling area is perfect for grabbing a bite to eat or enjoying live music and street performances. At night, the beach bars and waterfront restaurants come alive with vibrant energy, offering everything from casual drinks to dance parties. Fort Myers Beach combines beautiful natural settings with a dynamic nightlife, making it a versatile destination for any bachelor party. Naples Beach. Naples Beach is known for its upscale ambience and stunning Gulf Coast views, making it perfect for a bachelor party seeking luxury and relaxation. The beach's soft white sands and clear, calm waters provide an ideal setting for sunbathing, swimming, and paddleboarding. The historic Naples Pier is a popular spot for fishing and dolphin watching, offering breathtaking sunset views. Naples is also home to world-class golf courses, so you can enjoy a round or two during your stay. The city's 5th Avenue South and 3rd Street South areas boast an array of upscale restaurants, bars, and boutiques, perfect for evening entertainment. Visit one of the beachfront bars for cocktails and live music. Naples Beach offers a sophisticated yet laid-back atmosphere, ensuring a memorable and stylish bachelor party experience. Pensacola Beach. Pensacola Beach, located on Santa Rosa Island, is renowned for its sugar white sands and emerald green waters. This beach is ideal for a bachelor party looking for a mix of relaxation and adventure. Spend your days enjoying water activities like snorkeling, paddleboarding, and deep-sea fishing. The iconic Pensacola Beach Boardwalk offers a variety of shops, restaurants, and bars, providing plenty of entertainment options. At night, the beach comes alive with lively bars and clubs, such as the popular Sandshaker Lounge, known for its signature bushwhacker cocktail. History buffs will appreciate a visit to nearby Fort Pickens, a historic military fort offering guided tours and stunning views of the Gulf. Pensacola Beach combines natural beauty, vibrant nightlife, and historical charm, making it a versatile choice for a bachelor party. Destin Beach. Host, Destin Beach, often referred to as the world's luckiest fishing village, is a top destination for a bachelor party that loves fishing and water sports. The beach's emerald green waters and soft white sands are perfect for sunbathing and swimming. Destin Harbor offers numerous charter services for deep-sea fishing, ensuring a thrilling day on the water. For those who prefer to stay on land, the Harbor Walk Village features a variety of restaurants, bars, and shops, along with live entertainment and events. At night, the area's vibrant nightlife includes beachside bars, clubs, and live music venues. Destin Beach is also home to several golf courses and outdoor adventure parks, providing additional activities for your group. With its stunning beaches, excellent fishing, and lively harbor area, Destin Beach is an ideal spot for an action-packed bachelor party. St. Augustine Beach. St. Augustine Beach combines beautiful coastal scenery with rich history, offering a unique setting for a bachelor party. Spend your days relaxing on the wide, sandy beach, surfing, or exploring the St. Augustine Beach Pier, which features a splash park, volleyball courts, and a fishing pier. The nearby Anastasia State Park provides opportunities for hiking, kayaking, and birdwatching. Just a short drive away, you'll find the historic downtown area of St. Augustine. The oldest city in the US. Here, you can explore landmarks like the Castillo de San Marcos, enjoy a ghost tour, or visit one of the many museums and galleries. The area's nightlife includes a variety of bars, pubs, and live music venues, offering a mix of modern and historic charm. St. Augustine Beach offers a blend of relaxation, adventure, and history, making it a memorable destination for a bachelor party. And now for the top 3 beach destinations for a bachelor party. Miami Beach. Starting with Miami Beach, known for its iconic Art Deco architecture, trendy nightlife, and world-renowned parties, South Beach is a hotspot for celebrities and partygoers. With beach clubs and bars lining the shore, it's the perfect blend of luxury and fun, making it an ideal choice for a bachelor party. Miami Beach offers an unparalleled experience for bachelor parties, with its mix of upscale amenities and vibrant entertainment options. By day, you can enjoy the sun on the soft sands or take a dip in the turquoise waters. South Beach is famed for its lively atmosphere and is home to some of the trendiest beach clubs and rooftop bars, where you can party with a view of the ocean. The nightlife is electric, with countless clubs and bars offering everything from live music to DJ sets. For a bit of culture, explore the historic Art Deco district, or indulge in some shopping at the designer boutiques on Lincoln Road. Miami Beach's combination of glamour, entertainment, and relaxation makes it a top pick for an unforgettable bachelor party. Fort Lauderdale Beach. Moving north to Fort Lauderdale Beach, where you can enjoy a more laid-back atmosphere with a touch of sophistication. This beach offers water sports, upscale dining options. It's a great choice for a bachelor party looking for a mix of relaxation and entertainment. Known for its serene waters and clean, sandy beaches, it provides an ideal setting for sunbathing and swimming. The beach is dotted with upscale resorts and hotels, offering luxury amenities and stunning ocean views. The Las Olas Boulevard, just a short distance from the beach, is a hotspot for dining and nightlife. Here you can find a range of restaurants serving gourmet cuisine, chic cafes, and vibrant bars. The beach also offers a variety of water sports, from jet skiing to paddleboarding, ensuring there's never a dull moment. As night falls, the beach transforms into a lively scene with music, dancing, and beachfront parties. Fort Lauderdale Beach's blend of sophistication and fun makes it an excellent choice for a memorable bachelor party. Key West. Finally, we have Key West, a paradise for adventure seekers and party enthusiasts. This vibrant island destination boasts colorful sunsets, lively bars, and a quirky charm that sets it apart. From snorkeling and jet skiing to bar hopping along Duval Street, Key West offers a one-of-a-kind bachelor party experience. Key West is an idyllic location for those looking to combine adventure with a lively party scene. The island's unique charm and vibrant culture set the stage for an unforgettable bachelor party. During the day, you can explore the crystal-clear waters through activities like snorkeling, scuba diving, and jet skiing. The island is also famous for its historic sites, including the Ernest Hemingway Home and Museum and the southernmost Point Buoy. As the sun sets, Key West comes alive with its renowned sunset celebrations at Mallory Square, featuring street performers and local vendors. Duval Street is the epicenter of nightlife, lined with bars, pubs, and live music venues that stay open late into the night. Whether you're enjoying a craft cocktail at a rooftop bar or dancing at a local club, Key West offers a diverse and exciting nightlife. Its combination of adventure, history, and vibrant nightlife makes Key West an ideal destination for a bachelor party. In conclusion, the top beaches in Florida offer a perfect blend of sun, sand, and excitement for a memorable bachelor party. Whether you choose the glitz and glamour of Miami Beach, the sophistication of Fort Lauderdale Beach, or the laid-back vibes of Key West, you're sure to have an... We hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel recommendations and bachelor party ideas. Let's make your bachelor party one for the books.